Hi, my name's Chrissy and welcome to Chrissy's Corner. In today's episode, my cousin DJ will be helping me build my chicken coop.
Let's get to it.
We have all the pieces laid out, but first we're going to be doing the bottom half, and DJ's helping me screw some of the screws in with the drill. I'm holding up both these parts so DJ can drill them in so we can make the bottom part and then connect the top part.
So this is the bottom half of the chicken coop, is it?
Yeah, the bottom half. Because it's the bottom. And then this is the top where I hold it. I'm itchy. We are drilling on the door to the top section where they'll be just chilling, I guess.
That's where we're going to collect the eggs from up there, isn't it?
Yeah, right in this will be.
Looking good.
DJ is now finishing up the back part of the chicken coop and we'll be putting this part of it on top of it together. Because it hasn't...
What's on the other side of that vacuum bit there, Chrissy?
This.
Awesome.
I don't know what that is, but it's something.
Okay.
You want to guide that in?
Nope.
There you go. Hold it up there for me, Chrissy.
Now you'll be drilling it in. Get the other side.
Cookhouse Productions here, people.
Let's use the background.
We're putting the bedroom area up. This is the floor, and then yeah, just put the floor. I have the instructions. Okay. So I'm telling you. How you read
Boss
this?
lady.
Yes, I'm the boss. Of course.
There you go, the bedroom floor's in.
Alright, now get the little nook that they like to hide behind for some privacy to make the eggs. Pop up the eggs. Through their butts. Yes.
There we
Okay,
go.
next should be the ladder so that you can get up there, of course. Has these little things. Fine. We need screws. I need the screws. Yeah, two. We have chicken music in the back. Now I
Yeah,
can
that
lay
was all
in.
secure.
So what's
Yes.
next?
The top part looks like we need screw C.
Okay, let's get that.
You get the top, I'll get the screw.
I'll get this off.
Can't the music. Ow! Ow, I hurt myself. Need 5 screws. We are putting the last bit of roof because we just finished that part. So DJ will be screwing the latches on to that part.
Help me line that up a little bit. What do you think?
Alright, screw the first screw.
Is it coming?
Yeah, spiky. Can I go last? The spiky. We're just finishing up the last 2 screws. Well, he is, because he's screwing them in. Alright, this part of the roof is now attached. Alright. No, DJ, don't leave me! DJ, don't leave me! Hurry up, get the film! Get him, DJ! Alright guys, we finished the chicken coop. Thank you, DJ, for helping me. Alright, let's go get our chickens! Here we are guys, it's a chicken farm and we're going to be picking our chicken. It's cold and wet.
No, this little one right in the middle of the brown one, the black one over there.
That black one.
Yeah, look at his head. He's a silky. Silky, I just see.
Here I have a little baby chick. It's a week old. She's a week old, and there's some over there.
As you like, it's not going anywhere.
Would you like to take her back downstairs?
Yeah, of course you can. You just sit her in there and just open your fingers and she'll run off.
And they can't get out because of this metal.
Oh no, they can get out of there if they wanted to. Yeah, they just jump straight over that.
A bit of catch and release here, mate.
That one is so
Oh,
cute.
get that finger down.
Okay.
Got to see. We've got to see the girl smiling. See.
Good looking fluffy day.
That's actually a little light Sussex.
Hey, Dad.
Wow.
We have our chickens in this box, and we're going to be taking them home and put them in a nice new pen. Okay, we have our newly required chickens, and we'll be putting them in our new cage. DJ will be putting them in. Be careful, DJ.
Oh no.
Oh, my one escaped. Go get him.
Do you remember what the names were? What brand they were?
Looks like they like it. That's the weirdest noise I've ever heard. They're so cute. Mine's the black one, and my brother's is the red one. Well, he picked it out, and I picked it up. They won't be laying eggs until June, which they will start to lay eggs. Yeah, and that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching and watching me build the coop and get my chickens. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell buttons, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.